3 cans of our black-eyed peas, 1 green bell pepper that I diced, and we kept all of those juices with those peas. 1 white onion that I diced, all in our crock pot. I have a couple stalks of celery that we diced. This is gonna be so delicious, you guys. I have a whole smoked sausage that I cut into smaller pieces. Now I like to keep the juices of the black-eyed peas because it has a lot of flavor, but you can drain them if that's what you like, but this is what I like. I have a can of Rotel, which is my absolute favorite for this. Now this is a tradition that I like to make every New Year's, and so we are cooking it up today. We're gonna add some garlic because of course I love garlic, but you can honestly make this meal any time of the year because it is so warm, it is so cozy. I actually am just getting over a little bit of a cold, so this is gonna be perfect for my night. Yum. Now, instead of salt, we're gonna do some onion salt, but you can do regular salt or you can just do onion powder, but I needed a little bit of sodium in here just to make it extra savory. Yum. We're of course gonna add some black pepper, and we're seasoning this well because this is a good serving. This is gonna be about 10 servings of our delicious meal. Now I have some garlic powder. I know, call me crazy. We're doing fresh garlic and the garlic powder, but you can do one or the other. It doesn't matter to me. And then for some herbaceous flavor, I'm doing some dried thyme. Oh my gosh, this is smelling so good already. I cannot wait. I am so excited to get this to start cooking. It is just gonna make the whole house smell amazing. Now for a kick, I have my Creole seasoning, but you can add whatever seasonings you like. If you don't like Creole because it's too hot, you can skip it. But I really think that this brings a nice punch and I think it's gonna taste amazing. And I know, it looks like I'm seasoning too much, but I'm not. This is a big serving, you guys, okay? So do not doubt me. We're finishing this off with 4 cups of beef broth. Now you don't need to add any water to this. The broth is enough because we're using the canned black-eyed peas. So those are already pretty much cooked. They just need to be heated up and mixed in with all these delicious veggies. But if you did fresh black-eyed peas, like the ones that you buy in the baggie, then you're gonna wanna add some water to this. But they also have frozen black-eyed peas now, which are kind of fun and interesting, but I haven't tried them yet. So if you guys give those a try, let me know so I can try them out next year. But we're adding this whole box of beef broth. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm so excited. Okay, we're almost done with this entire thing. All right, perfect. All right, we have our spoon. And it's time to give this a good mix. Oh, this already looks so delicious. It looks like it's the perfect amount of liquid. And this is gonna cook super quick because our peas are already fully cooked. Oh, all right, we have that all in there. It looks like it's perfectly mixed with all that seasoning. It is time to get this cooking. We're gonna put this on high so it can be ready in no time. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. You can't cook this on low for 6 hours. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out. Oh my goodness, this smells absolutely incredible. We have the black-eyed peas, the sausage, the onions, the peppers, the Rotel. Oh, it looks perfectly cooked. Oh, I cannot wait to dig in. It's gonna be so cozy and delicious. Everything I want for New Year's Day. Oh, I'm so excited. Get more of that liquid. Make it a soup.
The aroma tastes so good.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. That is so good.